Hey guys, I know we just put up a video, but I gotta tell you, we just wrote the script for a really awesome video idea. It's gonna be really funny. I'm not gonna tell you even what it's called. I'll surprise you, but
It's amazing.
it's really great. It's really great. And the cool part is, I'll give you a hint. It's a parody of the Chris Crocker Leave Britney Alone. It's gonna be really funny. You're gonna laugh, I promise. It's really funny. It's really funny. So, oh, my kitty says hi. My kitty says hi. Say hi, kitty. Say hi, kitty. Oh my god, dude, that's amazing. She's waving. Look, waving kitty. She's waving. Look, don't stop her. Don't stop her. High five, Loki. Loki. High five. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, this video's taking too long. It was just supposed to be an update. So, alright. So, anyways, see you guys later. Jellyfish.
What's the way they can see it? That's our. Do it back here.
Let's move over that direction. Okay.
That's our trademark.
It's called jellyfish. Do it with your friends. Be amazing.
Oh, you went to him.
Later. Bye.